Come on down to the dawn of the world. Let's take that path through the atmosphere and give 4,000 answers to all of your questions, and maybe it will all become clear.
He goes, what? Who's he doing this? No, yeah, this the ball. Ball. You look so guilty. What have you done? What have you done, Noah? No, what did he do? Noah. What? No. Quick. Okay, I'll leave you alone.
Well, not much been happening today, just my Dutch lesson. Pete worked from home as the metros weren't working today, so when I got home he was here, which was nice. With the shopping, it rained. We made some more vlogs, do some more hopefully get them more up for the weekend. Got my weekend wash going. Yeah, just a bit wet outside, just going to bed. Yeah, it's unfortunately it, but anyway. So yeah, I will see you guys later and have a good night.
Come on down to the dawn of the world. Let's take that path through the atmosphere and give 4,000 answers to all of your questions, and maybe it will all become clear.